Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you things that have come in or ready to go out of the shop. So please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and bring us something that we could fix for you. So today we have a Circassian patterned walnut table, and it has one leaf you can see in the middle, and it's been book matched. So what's so cool is that this is a reflection not only on this pattern book matched on both sides, but it's also book matched this way, so that you end up with the walnut showing the reflection of the tree pattern all the way down the middle of the table. Quite a beautiful pattern. And boy, I don't know that this piece has looked this good for many years. I would say this is from the 30s or 40s, and it has just turned out well. What we would call a mid-century table. Beautiful pattern, Circassian walnut. And it has that kind of a low shine finish now that doesn't make it too formal looking, and it has a little bit of pores showing so we can tell that it's real wood. Really proud of how this piece turned out and how stable the veneer is. So a great project to work on. Thanks for watching.